Hello, this is Vernon, the Mature Patriot. I'm coming to you today to give a personal thank you to my subscribers. There's some things about this I don't understand because it says I've got 16 subscribers, but it only lists 11 in the list. So I don't know why that is. If somebody knows why that is, give me a comment, let me know. I'm currently having some other problems. I can't get a video uploaded to the Mature Patriot channel. Everything is going to the Two Busted Thumbs channel, and then I'm copying it or mirroring it over onto the Mature Patriot channel. If somebody can help me with that, please give a comment, contact, email or something that we can talk, and we'll just send me an email at maturepatriot@gmail.com with a phone number. I'll call you back and I'll see if I can get this, you can help me get this worked out. I'm going to go down my list of subscribers. It's in no particular order. It's Burton's Attic. Of course, Double Boost, he has subscribed. Flathead Ron's Garage. Now, Flathead Ron is fairly new to machining. His career was as a mechanic, but he started machining. He's put together a very unique milling machine that you might want to go take a look at if you haven't seen it. Dudley Toolwright. Now, Dudley, I like watching Dudley's videos. He's very meticulous, does a lot of good videos. You might want to check him out. And of course, my fellow Tennessean from Middle Tennessee, Shop Dog Sam. Sam is unique and has very unique videos about his work. He does a lot of work on hit and miss engines and tractors, and does a lot of machine work. So he's a good one to check out. Especially on his derusting videos. He seems to have that down pat on how to derust ferrous metals. Tammy Reese, Hilltop Machine Works, that's over in North Carolina. He and I have started communicating. Tom, he makes some good videos. Got a good shop set up. He's another one you need to check out. Crafted, that's another one. Bill Holt. Pickerick 1. Pickerick 1. And of course my other channel, Two Busted Thumbs, is listed as a subscriber to this. But so in actuality, it's really only showing 10 of what would be 15 subscribers, not myself. So I don't know why that is, but unless there's some way they can block that from showing up on your channel, I don't know. There's a lot about this YouTube stuff that this old man who was around when the first desktop computers, which used to be called mini micros, first came out. I never wanted to design computers. I never wanted to write software. I just wanted to be able to use it. So there's a lot of things I don't understand, but I'm trying to learn. But once again, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers. We're going to try to do better in the future about getting videos out that you'll enjoy. I hate that I had such a long layoff with my wrist and unable to do anything. If you read my discussion page, you would have seen that during that time I also dropped my computer with my video editing software on it, had to send it and get it repaired, and they were able to restore everything. So I didn't lose any of my videos or my software, so I'm back in business, and I've recently posted 3 to my channel. The Two Busted Thumbs channel, and they have been copied over to the Mature Patriot channel. I'm wanting to set up another channel and move all my machining videos to that as soon as I come up with a good name for it. And since both my brother and I want to use this equipment, I may call it CNC machining. And I'll have that connected to the Mature Patriot channel, and then try to get everybody swapped over to maybe CNC machining in the future. But you'll see that when it comes up. Once again, thank you. May God bless you. I hope you have a wonderful day and stay safe out there. Goodbye.